Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lithani yafqahu qawli. Welcome back, dear brothers and sisters. I welcome you all to Madina Book 2. Inshallah, this is class 66. So what we're going to do today? So inshallah, we're going to do lesson number 31, the last lesson from Madina Book 2. So this lesson, basically, it's just revising us. Dr. Abdurrahim brings us what is called as Naat. So we know this very well. We just a quick revision and just or learn from the previous lessons like duals and then have a little bit more understanding about Naat. So what is Naat? Naat is an adjective given to any object. So any object or anything, any person which has a quality, it's called a Naat. So it will always have a man'oot. So the Naat in Arabic always follows the man'oot. It doesn't come before, it comes after the man'oot. So man'oot means that which is possessing the Naat. So that's the basic description. So these Naat and man'oot, they both have things in common. They both have things in common. There are four things we have to look into a Naat, which will tell us that the word which is coming after a word is a Naat or not. So what is the first thing we look at? We look at the case ending. So if both the words having the same case ending, that is the i'rab, what is called, if it is marfu, then what will be marfu. If man'oot is mansoob, naat will be mansoob. If man'oot is majroor, the naat will be majroor. And the second thing will be gender. If man'oot is muannath, naat will be definitely muannath. If man'oot is mudhakkar, then naat will be mudhakkar. So gender is called at-tadhkir or tanis, so masculine or feminine. And third thing will be number. So if man'oot is singular, naat will be singular. If man'oot is plural, naat will be plural. If man'oot is dual, naat will. So this is the characteristics which is typical of naat. So it follows the adad, the number. And the last and final thing is definite or indefinite. If man'oot is indefinite, then naat will be indefinite. If man'oot is definite, naat will be definite. So ta'rif wa tankir. So nakira means indefinite, ma'arif means definite. So these are the four qualities we need to remember: al-i'rab, al-tazkir, al-adad, wal-ta'rif. So let's bring some examples and then understand how these things work. So if you first bring i'rab, so if that's the examples, hada kitabun jadidun. This is a new book. So whenever we translate a naat man'oot, always translate the naat first and then man'oot to make a proper sense in English. So we don't say this book new, we say this is a new book. So you say marfu here. So if you say qara'atu kitaban jadidan, so I read a new book. So kitaban is mansoob because it is coming as a maf'ulun bihi, and on the top it is because it is a khabar. And what we have, hadas ismu, so we call it hadasmu kitabin jadidin. So this is the name of new book. So it's hada is mubtada, ismu is khabar, wa huwa mudaf, kitabin mudaf ilayhi, and this is following the same i'rab, indefinite, kasra, tanween kasra, so it is a naat. So some example for muzakkar and muannas, if you see here, ahmadu lahubnu kabirun. So ahmad mubtada again, lahu jar majrur shibu jumla khabar, so he has ibnun kabirun, so big son. Wa bintun saghiratun. So bint is muannas, saghiratun, ta tanisi, ta marbuta here. So that's how here it matches the man'oot in gender. So adad, so if you bring a singular, so lana mudirun salihun. So we have a good, a noble head teacher. And if it is dual, it will be wa mudarrisan jayyidan. So and two good teachers. Wa zumala'u. See, zumala'u is diptoed, fuqara'u. On the other example, fu'ala'u, that's the pattern. Mujtahiduna, because it's a plural and it is naat is mujtahiduna. So here we see this is on a pattern of jama mudhakkar salim and this is a indefinite. So but still the pattern will be to determine that it is representing a proper noun. So zumla'u mujtahiduna. So this waw tells it is a plural. So with indefinite and definite, if you see, indi sayyaratun jadidatun. So I have a new car. So that's how it's a new car. And for definite, say as-sayyaratu, the car. Al-jadidatu ghaliyatun. So the new car is ghaliyatun. Ghaliyatun is expensive. Rakhisatun is cheap. Ghaliyatun means expensive. So that's the example of definite and indefinite. So if we go to the main lesson now, so it says again as a quick description discussion between teachers and students. Al-Mudarris Aina Talibani Jadidani. So where are the two new students? Talibani Jadidani. So these are the same two students which went to the library in the previous lesson. So he's asking about them. He says, Ali says, Huma fil maktaba. So they have gone to the library. They are in library. Zahaba. So see, Zahaba means they went. Liya'khuza to. Akhaza, ya'khuzu. Akhaza to take, to get. Al-kutub al-muqarrara. To get the books that are prescribed. So they are in the library. They went to get the books. So this la is lamu ta'lil. So ya'khuza. Why it is mansoob? Because it is a an-mudmara. So if you remember lamu ta'lil and you have fi'l mudari mansoob is al-masdar mu'awwal with an-mudmara. That's why you have ya'khuza. It's not ya'khuzu, li ya'khuza. And this alif tells us it is taw. It is alif musanna and noon is dropped here. So liya'khuzani should be there. Zahaba liya'khuzani. So noon is dropped to became to because it is mansoob. What made it mansoob is an mudmara. So if you remember. So al-Mudarris says mata zahaba. So when did they go? When did they both go? So alif musanna. So Ali says zahaba fil hissati thaniya. So now we are looking at the naat manot here. So they both went in thaniya. So second session. In the second session or second period, you can say fil hissati thaniya. So again, if you see al both are definite, both are muannas, so with the same i'rab. So that's why we know this is a naat. Yes. So now he's asking, taking a pause and says, Ya Ustad, uridu an ashtariya. So uridu, we know it get al-masdar mu'awwal, which is an plus fa'al mudari' mansoob. So ashtariya, so we know it is a fa'al with a naqis letter. Yeah. So in the marfu form it will be ishtara, and in mansoob it becomes ishtariya. With the ya will get fatha because the letter before is having kasra. So we want to buy mu'jaman Arabiyan. So we want to buy Arabic dictionary. Mu'jaman is dictionary and Arabiyan is not here. So again, looking at the all the four conditions are being met here. So uridu. So I want. Again we are looking at al-masdar mu'awwal with an and fa'il mudari mansub. Tadullani. So what is tadullani? Dalla yadullu is to point or to direct. So he says, I want you to direct me ala mu'jamin jayyidin, to a good dictionary. Mu'jamin jayyidin. So I want to buy a good Arabic dictionary. I want you to direct me to a good dictionary. So Mudarris says, ishtara. So ishtara is a fa'al amr bi hazfi harfi illa. So ishtara. Al-mu'jama. So al-mu'jama maf'ulun bihi mansubun al-wasit. So al-wasit is the naat here. It means American. This is a type of a dictionary which is very famous. Al-mu'jam al-wasit. Fa'innahu, and truly it is. Who is ismu inna, and khabar is marfu. Mu'jamun jayyidun. So if you say mu'jamin jayyidin, because it is harf jar, it's a majroor, and that's the naat. And here it is khabar inna, It's marfu, and the naat is also marfu. That's the whole exercise here. اشترى المعجم الوسط وسيط فإنه معجم جيد. Ahmed says, Ahmed, اليوم ينتحل الجزء الثاني. So today we are naha yanha is to come to an end, to finish. So what is the fa'il here? Al juz'u is the fa'il, and athani is the naat. So how do we translate? The second juz is going to end today. This is how the translation takes place. Naat man'ut, then make it as a fa'il, then the fa'il and maf'ulun bihi. So al yawma, second, today, the second portion is going to come to an end, and that is what's happening today. So we're going to finish our second book, inshallah. Mata nabda al juz al thalitha. So when are we going to start the third juz, the third part? Juz'a al thalitha. See, thalitha is an ordinal number, so it's a like in coming as a naat. Al mudarris says, في الأسبوع القادم إن شاء الله, in the coming week. Say the coming, qadim means coming, and al usbu is week. And so how do we translate? In coming week, inshallah, if Allah wills. So inshallah, from our perspective, we will be starting in the next month, inshallah, في الشهر القادم inshallah. نقرأ اليوم الصفحتين الأخيرتين من الجزء الثاني. So we're going to read today as-safhatayn. See, what is safhatayn? So 2 pages. So we're going to read today safhatani will be 2 marfu. So why it is mansub here? Because it's coming as a maf'ulun bihi. That's why safhatayn. So ani and aini. So we know it is a sign of dual mansub لأنه مثنى. And al-akhiratayn, it's coming as a naat for safatain. So last 2 pages, we're going to read last 2 pages today. Minaj juz athani, from the second book. So inshallah, that's what we're going to do. So this brings to us to the end of the lesson number 31. So let's quickly go to the exercises and try and practice more of duels. So that's the exercises. Ayyin an-na'at wa man'ut fi kulli مثال مما يأتي. So ayyin means specify, naat and manut. Specify what is naat and manut. في كل مثال, in each of examples. مما, from what, that which. يأتي, so here ma is اسم موصولة. Suratul Mawsul is ata ya'ati, to come. So from that which is coming. So uridu an ashraba. So uridu, come with al masdar mu'awwal. So I want to drink ma'an baridan. So cold water. So water is your man'ud and baridan is your naat. Aqra'u al-Qur'an al-Karima. See, Aqra'u al-Qur'an al-Karima. I am reading the noble Qur'an. Kulla sabahin. So every morning. Askunu, I live or I stay. Fi baytin jamilin, in a beautiful house. Baytin jamilin. So la taktuba, say la nahiya. Taktubani will become taktuba because of the effect of la nahiya. So don't, you both of you don't write bil qalamil ahmari, with red pen. Fi hayyina, in our city. Hayyina, in hayyina. Masjidun kabirun, so big masjid. So fi hayyina is your jar majrur, shibhu jumla khabar muqaddam. Masjidun is your mubtada indefinite. Kabirun is your naat, which is indefinite. Lahu minaratan jamilatan, and it has 2 beautiful minarets. Ain al mudarrisun al jududu. So where are the new teachers? See, jududu is plural, jadidun is singular, jududu is plural, and mudarris, because it is representing mudarrisuna. So where are the new teachers? Let's get some more practice now. The last one here, inshallah. So akmil kulla jumlatin mimma ya'ati bina'ati munasib wadbithu bishakl. So complete each sentences, that which is coming, with naat suitable, and give a proper vowel sign. So akaltu ta'aman, what do we say? Lazizan. We can say lazizan because It is coming as a naat for mafulun bihi, so it will have mansoob. Washaribtu, so I drank. Qahwata, coffee. What is a coffee will be? Cold. I mean hot coffee you can say, or you can have cold coffee as well. You can say baridan wa haradan. Wa sharibtu qahwata haradan. Aina tullabu. See, aina tullabu plural here. So what do we bring? You can put jududu. New. Where are the two? I mean, where are the new students? Li akhawani. See, akhawani. So two brothers. See, kabirani. See, two big brothers. Ukhtani, you can make them sagir. Sagirani. Or it has to be saghiratani. It has to match. So that's the typo here. Ukhtani saghiratani. Ishtaraitu, I brought qalamaini. See, qalamaini jamilaini, because it is mafulun bihi. Alamatu nasbihi al-ya'u li'annahu muthanna. And jamilaini, same thing. Not. So indi sa'atun, you can say whatever you can say. Jamilatun, rakhisatun, ghaliyatun, expensive, cheap, whichever. So, but it has to match. That's the whole exercise. Fil fasl, in class. Makatibu, the desks. Let's say qadimatun, old desk. Or say tawilatun, so tall, I mean long desk. You say whatever. Tilka sayyaratu, that car. Tilka is mubtada, ismul ishara, followed by al is badal. And that car, so we have to bring a nath. We say that red car, or any color you can give, hamra or khudra or safra or. So that's you have to match. And lil mudarrisi, so give a nath to mudarris al jadidi. So that red car belongs to the new teacher. Askunu fil mahja'i. So mahja'i is a hostel. I live in the hostel. What type of hostel? The qadimi, in an old hostel. Aina sayyaratuka. So where is your car? So now if you see here mudaf ilayhi cannot be separated. Any naat has to come after the mudaf ilayhi. So we have to bring a naat. Is the sayyaratu definite? It is definite because ka is mudaf ilayhi, which is definite, pointing to you, the definite person. So the naat should be definite. So what will be the naat now? Al yabaniyu. So where is your Japanese car? You can say where is al amrikiyu. So why we have ta here? Because it is a muannas, sayyaratu muannas. So it will be al yabaniyatu. Ibrahimu. So what is Ibrahim? Amriki is an American student. Talibun mujtahidun is a hard working student. So that is our last word or last line from Madina book 2. Subhanallah. So that brings to end of Madina book 2. Alhamdulillah, and I congratulate all those people who are continuously studying with us and have come to this big task and end of a big milestone, I would say. So inshallah we're going to start our book 3, which is again not as difficult as book 2, because in book 2 we've learned quite a few concepts, which is in contrast with book 3 there are less concepts, but it's more of understanding, inshallah. So good luck to everybody, inshallah. I hope all these lessons help you to get closer to Quran and to understand Allah in a better way. So I'll see you again in Madina book 3 series, inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.